menino nasceu, como um filho se nos deu. Ele é o próprio Deus e vive em mim. Debaixo de suas asas eu me escondi. E o seu nome é maravilhoso. Glória ao príncipe da paz. O céu começa a se abrir, toda a terra se dobrou a ti. Cristo, Rei dos Reis, veio nos buscar. Leva-nos em tuas mãos pelas portas da cidade, na Nova Jerusalém tua noiva vai entrar. Menino nasceu, como um filho se nos deu. Ele é o próprio Deus e vive em mim. Debaixo de suas asas eu me escondi. E o seu nome é maravilhoso. Glória ao príncipe da paz. O céu começa a se abrir, toda a terra se dobrou a ti. Cristo, Rei dos Reis, veio nos buscar. Leva-nos em tuas mãos pelas portas da cidade, na Nova Jerusalém tua noiva vai entrar.
Look, all I need is 116 to brag on my king, Romans 1:16. We brag about him daily cause he runs this thing. Can I do it?
Yes, sir.
Can I do it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We rep the Lord truly. We hitting straight ahead and we ain't trying to hit no you it. Man, they can't do nothing to me. We don't look like them other dudes do it. We young boys, but we sound mature. Call me Stewart. But this ain't no baby talk. Say we make them Looney Tunes. This that cow is crazy talk. Makes them say they may be out. We was blind, now we get to see. This that Navy talk. My goal is to rest in them, but this ain't no lazy walk. My daddy ain't make me so, but he gave me peace though. Threw my chains up off of me. I call that my free throw. Pray told me to go in. They got your boy on beast mode. I ain't got no white collar. He made me a priest though. Pray I never fall away. Chasing after packet change. Used to put my stock in riches. I had a stack exchange. I was just a throwback, but now I do not walk the same. Probably cause he put me on blast like a racket man.
All I need is 116 to brag on my king, Romans 1:16. We brag about him daily cause he run this thing. Can I do it? Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Let's go. Here we go again. 1 to the 116. 1-6 going in, spit one for the 1 cent, only him. If one could get one clip, notice him. Here we go again. For this process in front of me, got my 2 eyes after that W, like Nintendo Wii. My penalty, Jesus my remedy, relentlessly shepherding lost sheep, called him Bo Peep. Give it a mic, better believe I'ma go hard. Come on now, think everybody with that lyrical, miracle, biblical theology, without an apology. Whenever I get up on the microphone, I gotta represent. We ain't scared of ya, what they gon' do? What, murder us? What murder does is send a surge of us to go put churches up. Ain't no hurting us, I'm on that Justin Martyr. When the church go in, LA couldn't dodge her. Satan try to charge her, media try to bomb her. Under attack, but we got value pearls, couldn't harbor. Give me the mic, bro, glad to record, to get back to the source of the man couldn't thought. Elevating the father with a passion for. Give me a 16, I'ma brag on my Lord.
All I need is 116 to brag on my Lord. Romans 1:16. We talk about him daily cause he run this thing. Can I do it? Yeah. Woo. All I need is 116 to brag on my Lord, brag on my King. Matter of fact, give me a couple more and I do the same thing, do the same thing, do the same thing. Even on my best day I couldn't go by. Grace of the Lord that was grateful. For the sin and I committed, should've paid that price, but I didn't cause the Father went and gave to Christ. What love is this? To send his own, to die for sin and take us home. Got me feeling good. Forget my feelings when you heard a story about the hero dying for the villain. Kill him with the fast flow, then I go slow. This one here is urgent. When it comes to God, everybody's got a version. Some are wearing turbans, others getting virgins. With all of these options, we know he's for certain. Cause ain't no other God like mine, you got to admit it. Yeah, I'm falling cause of sin, and yet his grace is sufficient. Beat the grave, said it's finished. Got them unsearchable riches and they deep. That's why I'm like, can you dig it? Let's go. Shut it. Shut it. I'm on the shut it. All I need is 116 to brag on my King. Need is 116, Romans 1:16. We talk about him daily cause he run this thing. Can I do it? Can I do it?